Okay, go ahead. Whoa, good work, Isla. Did you teach her that?
Yeah, I did.
How did you teach her to throw?
Because I folded white hole and she folded to me actually.
Really?
Yeah! I can throw that.
Good for you, Keon.
Ooh!
That's a wonderful thing. She knows how to throw now.
What? What is it? I can't see good. Oh! Oh! That's slow. Yeah! Try again. Try again. Whoa! Good. Wow.
Wasn't that a good throw? Maybe she's going to be a soccer star like you.
Oh, what's this? Oh, what's this?
Okay. Watch that, Isla. That, oops, hide your in the way. That is Keon's soccer skills.
What's this?
Okay, I'm watching. Yeah, you're good.
Good move, Mommy.
Good move, Keon.